Hi everyone and welcome to my class. My name is Dina and today I'm going to teach you how to use modeling paste and gold leaf. I have been exploring different material and techniques for past 10 years and finally I decided to start teaching what I have learned till now. I'm so happy that you started my class and I hope that you stay with me till the end of the session. For this class, we need some materials. So I'm going through them. We need a canvas. I'm using 20 by 20, but you can use any size you want. We need palette knife, modeling paste, gold leaf, glue for gold leaf, and I'm using this fabric. It's a cheesecloth instead of brush to apply my gold leaf glue on my canvas. You are most welcome to use anything you prefer. Hope to see you in the next section where we are going to start the class.